This one comes from Jennifer, who writes, my recently purchased condo, along with the entire building, is infestated with fruit or drain flies. I know this almost sounds like it's a job for Brad Lawler and his new team bug out group, but she's wondering, the maintenance company is refusing to rectify the situation, and so she's wondering, Lee, what recourse can Jennifer take if they've got a problem and the maintenance company is not willing to adhere or fix it?
Well, you certainly have a right to live without an infestation of any kind of critters in your house or your apartment. So the first thing is to send written notice, give them a certain time frame to fix that matter. If they don't within that time frame, then you can take to another legal step. One is to, did you say she was in an apartment?
He said it was a condo that she bought, a recent. Mm-hmm. So I'm wondering, maybe the condo has a maintenance company, but I would first approach the condo board with the letter, correct? Approach
the board, yes. She could work on withholding her condo fee until it gets taken care of, or going again, setting up a meeting with the company, with the board to address the issue. And then if she has to, taking the next legal step. If it's under $2,500, you would go to small claims court against the board or the management company, whoever's responsible to get that taken care of.
Okay, good steps. Hopefully, at this point, Jennifer, this helps you a little bit.